Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GTC. As in my earlier video of GTC, I was showing you that it is about to break a very big down channel on a weekly time frame chart. And this was the video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it is moving very close to the resistance of this down channel. And soon it can make a powerful attempt to break it out. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 13% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that GTC formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone, and this was the sell target zone. And below 2671 was a risk stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And you can see that it moved beyond the sell target zone here. And this was almost 13% pump. And now it is again dropped down in the same buying zone of this pattern. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. And by the way, this move produced almost 23% pump. And I shared this idea on 8th of August 2023 with my members. And this was the complete trade setup. The buying zone was from $1.78 and goes to 97.7 cents. And this was the sell target zone. And below 97.7 cents was a risk stop loss. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal and read the sell targets on here and here as well. And this was almost 23% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GTC. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously, since after November 2021, it was moving inside this wedge, and after the breakout, it got stuck inside in another down channel. And now you can see that after testing this long-term support for the past several weeks, you can see it is not breaking it down. That is at 82.8 cents. And now it is geared up and about to hit the resistance of this channel as well. And you can see that at the same time, at the same level almost, we have this resistance of $1.33 as well. You can see that previously this level had been breaking as a support here, this $1.33. And here for the past several weeks, it is breaking as a resistance again. After breaking out this down channel, the target to the upside can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $3.70. And the final target for this huge falling wedge pattern breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.